Oh, blueberry down. That's the combo right there. All right, so for the last sorbet, we're going with a mixed berry, which is gonna have blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And then we're gonna also throw in some dark red cherries. I think it's gonna be a, a good little touch. All right, last sorbet of the day, we got mixed berry, cherry. Do a little kiwi on top with some coconut shavings and honey. Let's give it a taste test. That's definitely the best one of the day.